Okay, so this is week 17, Monday's homework. We're going to start with problem 1, which is an expression that we need to simplify. We're going to begin with distributive property. I'm going to start with my -4, and I'm going to distribute to the two terms within the -4. -4 times 3x is -12x. Have to remember, a negative and a positive when multiplied together equal a negative. Then I have a -4 multiplied by a -3. Two negatives when multiplied together equal a positive. So it'll be positive 12. I'm going to continue on, and I'm now going to distribute my positive 9 throughout this statement. 9 times x is 9x, and 9 times 1 is 9. Now, at this point, I could go ahead and either do chart method or shapes method to combine like terms. I'm going to use shapes because there's not a whole lot here that I need to worry about putting in a chart. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to box my 12x, box my 9x, and then I'm going to circle my two constants, my 12 and my 9. Going back to my regular color, -12x plus 9x is -3x, and then 12 plus 9 is a plus 21. Very simple. Now we're going to go over to number 2. Write two formulas that can be used to find the circumference of a circle and label each part. So there are two formulas that really are just saying the same thing. The one that I prefer, because I think it's easier to differentiate this one from the formula for area, is C equals pi d. And the things that we are going to label, C stands for circumference. Pi is that constant of 3.14, and D stands for diameter. Now, the alternate way that you can write this is you could write it circumference is equal to pi to r. Because remember, a diameter is just the radius doubled. So again, if I were to label, the C stands for circumference. The pi stands for 3.14, and the 2r is for 2 radiuses, or radii. Okay, now, and then remember the trick. Just to remember this formula, cherry pie's delicious. Okay? Describe a similarity and difference between radius and diameter in complete sentences. So I'm not going to go into a whole lot of detail for this one because it's going to be, everybody's answer is going to look a little bit different. Again, just a reminder that the radius starts from the center and it can go in any direction. It's going to go to an edge. Okay, so the radius is half of the circle. Diameter goes completely across the circle. This is extremely important that you know the difference, because if you don't, you're going to end up missing the problem. So again, diameter crosses from edge to edge and passes through the center. Radius only passes to the center and stops. Okay? Mindy is mailing a package that weighs 9 pounds. Let me go ahead and switch my color. She adds a book to the package that weighs 3 pounds. What is the percent of increase in the weight of the package? And round to the whole, nearest whole percent. I'm going to remember for percent change, because it says percent of increase, I'm going to do difference over original equals percent over 100. Switching back so we can differentiate in our colors. Mindy is mailing a package that weighs 9 pounds. She adds a book to the package that weighs 13 pounds. So this is the part that you really need to understand what the question is asking. So the ending weight is going to be 12 pounds because I started with 9 and then I add a book for 3 pounds, so my ending total is 12. So my difference is going to be 12 minus 9 over 9 equals x over 100. So this is the ending weight, this is the starting weight over 9 equals x over 100. I'm going to clear to a regular board just so we have some more space to write this and see this right here. So I had 12 minus 9 over 9 equals x over 100. Cross multiply, 3 over 9 equals x over 100. 9x is equal to 300. I'm I'm going to divide both sides by 9 to get my answer. And when I do that, let's go ahead and just pull the calculator up just to check our math. 300 divided, 300 divided by 9 equals 33.333, and it asked me to round it to the nearest whole percent, I believe, 33%, because again, this 3 makes this stay down, and we're going to go ahead and look back to make sure that that's what it actually said. Round to the nearest whole percent, so your correct answer is 33%.